Welcome to the Tesla Daily News. This podcast is created by Generative AI. Today is the 19th of August, 2024, and we're here to bring you the latest and most intriguing stories from the world of technology, artificial intelligence, and automotive innovation. Remember, you can find links to all the stories we discuss in the episode notes. Our first story today dives into Tesla's latest software update, which introduces a new feature called Driver Mode. This innovative addition allows drivers to customize their vehicle's settings based on their personal preferences. From adjusting the steering sensitivity to setting the climate control, this feature aims to enhance the driving experience by making it more personalized. It's a testament to Tesla's commitment to integrating cutting-edge technology into their vehicles, making them not just cars, but smart companions on the road. Next up, we explore a fascinating development in the realm of artificial intelligence. Researchers have unveiled a new AI model that can predict traffic patterns with unprecedented accuracy. This model uses a combination of historical data and real-time inputs to forecast traffic conditions, potentially revolutionizing how we navigate our cities. The implications for urban planning and congestion management are significant, offering a glimpse into a future where AI helps us move more efficiently. In the world of autonomous vehicles, a recent report highlights the progress being made in self-driving technology. Companies are increasingly focusing on improving the safety and reliability of their autonomous systems. The report notes that advancements in sensor technology and machine learning algorithms are key drivers of this progress. As these technologies continue to evolve, the dream of fully autonomous vehicles on our roads is becoming more tangible. Shifting gears to the energy sector, Tesla's Gigafactory in Nevada is making headlines with its ambitious plans to expand battery production. This expansion is part of Tesla's broader strategy to meet the growing demand for electric vehicles and renewable energy storage solutions. The Gigafactory's increased capacity will not only support Tesla's vehicle production, but also contribute to the global transition towards sustainable energy. Finally, we turn our attention to a new partnership between Tesla and a leading solar energy company. This collaboration aims to integrate solar panels with Tesla's Powerwall technology, offering homeowners a seamless solution for generating and storing renewable energy. This initiative underscores Tesla's vision of a sustainable future, where homes are powered by clean energy and contribute to reducing our carbon footprint. That's all for today's episode of the Tesla Daily News. We hope you found these stories as exciting and insightful as we did. Remember to check the episode notes for links to all the articles we've discussed. Join us again tomorrow for more updates from the world of technology, AI, and automotive innovation. Until then, stay curious and keep exploring.